Okay, this link I share in chat. Just open this link. Open this link. Okay, just click on download. Second one. Okay, 431 MB. ట్రై చేయండి ప్యారలల్గా సిస్టమ్ దగ్గర ఉండేవరేనా చేస్తున్నారు ఎవరైనా చేస్తున్నా అంటే వెయిట్ చేస్తా లేదంటే కంటిన్యూ చేస్తా ఫాస్ట్గా Just open the link, click on download. Okay, at the down there is a no thanks. Okay, no thanks. Just start my download. Click on that. It will download MySQL installer 8.0.3. ట్రై చేస్తున్నారా ప్యారల్గా కాశీ
యా బ్రో
నాగమణి చేసిన వర్క్ అయిందా నీకు
అన్నా
వర్క్ అయిందా నీకు ఇన్స్టాలో
అన్నా కొద్దిగా వర్క్ ఒక్క నిమిషం అది ల్యాప్టాప్ లో ఛార్జింగ్ లేదన్నా మొబైల్ పెట్టేయాలి
అయ్యాక చెప్పు
ఓకే అన్న
ఇంకా ఎవరైనా ట్రై చేస్తామని చెప్పండి ఇప్పుడే ప్యారల్గా ట్రై ఇన్స్టాల్ చేద్దాం సో ఈ త్రూ అవుట్ కోర్స్ కంప్లీట్గా అవసరం పడుతుంది నెక్స్ట్ స్ప్రింగ్ బూటు టెస్ట్ అయిపోయి అంతా సో జస్ట్ డౌన్లోడెడ్ ఎక్కడండి ఇది MySQL ఇన్స్టాలర్ ఓకే డబుల్ క్లిక్ అవ్వండి ఇన్స్టాల్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది ప్రిపేరింగ్ ఫర్ ఇన్స్టాల్ right, it taking some time, wait. Battery is not available. Okay. So next page లో full select చేసుకోండి. ఫుల్ వర్షన్ అంటే MySQL సర్వర్ క్లయింట్ డెవలపర్ టూల్స్ అన్నీ వస్తాయి. ఓకేనా, ఆ లిస్ట్ అంటే ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది. ఇన్స్టాల్ ఆల్ ద ప్రొడక్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ అవైలబుల్ ఇన్ ద క్యాటలాగ్, MySQL సర్వర్, షెల్, ఓకే, వర్క్ బెంచ్, connectors. Okay, some examples. These are not required. Okay, just select the full. Go next. Next.
Bro, I have one question. HQ database ki SQL database ki difference ఏంటి?
మళ్ళీ చెప్పు.
HQ database, HQ
నా H2 నా? H2 అంటే ఇన్ మెమరీ డేటాబేస్. ఇప్పుడు MySQL, Oracle, Sybase ఇవన్నీ ఏంటంటే మన డేటాబేస్ పర్సిస్టెంట్, అంటే కంప్లీట్గా మన స్టోరేజ్ ఉంటుంది మన సిస్టంలో. ఈవెన్ మన సిస్టమ్ రీస్టార్ట్ చేసినా మళ్ళీ రీస్టార్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత మనం లాగిన్ చూసుకోవచ్చు డేటా. ఓకే, పర్మనెంట్ స్టోరేజ్.
ఓకే,
అది టెంపరీ స్టోరేజ్, మెమరీలో ర్యామ్లో స్టోర్ అయి ఉంటుంది. ఒకసారి సిస్టమ్ షట్ డౌన్ ఏంటంటే ఆ డేటా మొత్తం రిలీజ్ అయిపోతుంది ఆటోమేటిక్గా. నెక్స్ట్ మళ్ళీ సిస్టమ్ రీస్టార్ట్ చేసినా కూడా ఏముండదు.
ఓకే. ఇప్పుడు ఈ రెండిట్లో బెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ సర్వర్ యూజ్ చేసుకోవాలనుకుంటే SQL యూజ్ చేయాలా?
బెస్ట్ అంటే మేబీ టెంపరీ వర్క్ అయితే జస్ట్ నువ్వు ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చేయాలి డేటాబేస్ మీద, స్ప్రింగ్ బూట్ అట్లా, జస్ట్ హెచ్డి బెటర్. లేదు నేను పర్మనెంట్గా డేటా స్టోర్ అయ్యి ఉండాలంటే మేబీ ఇట్లా MySQL కానీ Oracle కానీ ఇట్లా యూజ్ చేసుకోవాలి. రియల్ టైం అంతా MySQL, Oracle సమ్ డేటాబేస్ వాడుకోవచ్చు. ఎందుకంటే రియల్ టైంలో డేటా ఇప్పుడు స్టోర్ అయ్యి ఉండాలి, డేటా లాస్ కాకూడదు. ప్రాక్టీస్ పర్పస్ కి హెచ్డి పడుకోవచ్చు.
క్వైరీస్ లో ఎటువంటి డిఫరెన్స్ ఉండదు కదా, క్వైరీస్ రాసేటప్పుడు కానీ ఇలా?
మోస్ట్లీ సేమ్ ఉంటుంది.
ఓకే, ఏమంటే నేను నిన్నటి వరకు నా ప్రాజెక్ట్ లో H2 యూజ్ చేసింది.
H2 నా?
నిన్ననే SQL లను ఆర్కిల్ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసాము. కాకపోతే ఆర్కిల్ ప్రీవియస్ ఉంది, లేటెస్ట్ వర్షన్ ఆర్కిల్ యూజ్ చేసాం అంతే.
సో అది డెమో కావచ్చు, మేబీ పిఓసి కావచ్చు. పిఓసి ఎక్కువ అట్లా హెచ్డి వాడతారు.
అది జస్ట్ విండోస్ అప్లికేషన్, సర్వర్ అప్లికేషన్ కాదు అందుకని.
ఓకే ఓకే. సో ఇది నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ ఇన్స్టాల్ అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ డెవలపర్ కంప్యూటర్ ఫైన్. ఓకే, 42336 గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఎందుకంటే MySQL సర్వర్ ఇది కనెక్ట్ కావాలంటే పోర్టు ఇది చేసుకోవాలి. డోంట్ చేంజ్, ఇఫ్ యూ చేంజ్ రిమెంబర్ దట్. ఓకే, హియర్ యూజ్ లెగసీ అథెంటికేషన్ మెథడ్. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఏంటంటే అథెంటికేషన్ మెకానిజం ఎన్క్రిప్ట్ అయి ఉంటుంది. ఎన్క్రిప్ట్ తెలుసు కదా. సో మనకు అంత సెక్యూర్ కాదు కాబట్టి లెగసీ అథెంటికేషన్, జస్ట్ యూజర్ నేమ్ పాస్వర్డ్ ప్లెయిన్. ఓకే, బై డిఫాల్ట్ యూజర్ నేమ్ రూట్ వస్తుంది, అడ్మిన్ యూజర్. ఓకేనా, ఆ రూట్కి మనం కస్టమ్ పాస్వర్డ్ ఇచ్చుకోవచ్చు. ఓకేనా, గుర్తుపెట్టుకొని పాస్వర్డ్ ఇచ్చేప్పుడు నేను మాత్రమే సేమ్ యూజర్ నేమ్ రూట్. ఇక్కడ జస్ట్ రీడ్ దిస్ లైన్. Enter the password for root account. Root is a username. For that account, enter the password. Okay, I'm giving same user password as a same as user. Okay, root and root. Even it is a weak, not a problem, because we did not use any uppercase, lowercase, special symbols. That's why it is saying weak. Not much problem. Okay. Okay, just whatever the password you are entering here, just remember that. Don't forget. Windows, okay, fine. Full access. Okay, this is the final step mostly. In case మీరు ఎక్కడ స్ట్రక్ అయితే చెప్పండి. ఓకేనా, ఫినిష్. ఇక్కడ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ ఫైల్, అప్డేటింగ్ విండోస్, ఫైర్వాల్స్. ఫైర్వాల్స్ అంటే సెక్యూరిటీ మెకానిజం. అండ్ అడ్జస్టింగ్ విండోస్ సర్వీసెస్ అంటే ఆటోమేటిక్ స్టార్ట్ అవ్వట్లు. installation database, some default tables, permissions, then starting server is fine. Apply security settings, updating the start on menu link. Next finish చేయండి. So almost installation completed. Check the configuration once again. This is the port. This is the user, by default user, admin user. Just test connection, okay, not enabled. Password already we entered. Okay, next finish the setup. Credentials root. Okay, check connection success. Okay, test connection success. It is completed almost. So with that, MySQL installation is completed. Okay. Here mainly what we have to remember. What we have to remember?
Giving password and port number of the tech.
Okay. Username is root. I given. This is by default user. Password I given same. Root only and is small. Okay. Port 3306 default one. నేను చేంజ్ చేయాల. ఇన్ కేస్ వీటిలో మీరు ఏం చేంజ్ చేసింటే కన్నా మీ కస్టమ్ పాస్వర్డ్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. బెటర్ మేక్ ఇట్ ఇంటూ వన్ ఫైల్. ఓకే, టుడే గుర్తుంటుంది, టుమారో గుర్తుండదు, అది ప్రాబ్లమ్. సో ఒక నోట్ ప్యాడ్ రాసి పెట్టుకోండి. అప్ టు నౌ ఇన్స్టలేషన్ సక్సీడ్. హౌ టు వెరిఫై ఇన్స్టలేషన్ సక్సెస్ ఆర్ నాట్? గో టు సర్చ్, టైప్ MySQL. Okay, MySQL community client. You can see some right here in the MySQL. Just typing again MySQL. See something here about MySQL. We have MySQL workbench, MySQL shell, MySQL command line, Unicode. These things are not required. First one is fine for the practice purpose. MySQL command line client. Okay, depends on, I will tell below things. Okay, first we go for a MySQL command line client. Here asking the password. Password for what? Which user? By default, it will ask for the root user. Enter password. Is saying connection successful. Okay. If you see this page, this screen, that means your MySQL installation is successful. Okay, clear? Next, we will see some queries. Maybe yesterday I told something about how to create table, how to insert data, how to select, how to delete, all those things I told. Remember or forgot? What is table? What is table? Table is a combination of rows and columns. Okay. Now see how to create a table. Okay, how to create table? I'm directly taking from Google. I'm not writing all the things. Okay, just go Google, check here how to create MySQL table. Take any query. This is simple example. Okay, we can make it into multiple lines, or we can use single line also. Okay, we can use single line also, fine. I'll copy this and enter into the cell. Now see the output. No database selected. So before creating table in the MySQL, this is specific to MySQL, not for Oracle. We have to create a database. What is database? Under database, we have to create a table. Okay, example, my savings module want to maintain the different tables. My current account module has to maintain the different tables. So how to segregate that? We have to create a database, savings database. Under that, savings related tables. For credit card database, another credit card related tables like that. Okay, just how to create table. The first step is create a table. Sorry, create a database. How to create database? Create database. Database name. This is syntax. This is syntax. Okay. Here, what we need to change? Just change the database name. Create database. Database name. I'm giving the static. Okay. Every SQL statement should end with the semicolon. See the output. One row affected. That means the command is successful. Now, second thing is we have to use the database. How to use? Whatever from now onwards, whatever the table I'm going to create, those will be saved in this corresponding database. How to tell? How to use database? Query is use this database name. I'm giving the static. Okay. Now copy this. Okay, it is created. Okay. One row affected. Create database. 1 second. I'll use again. Okay, database changed. Now create a table. This table will go under static database. Okay. Under one database, we can create multiple tables. Paste. 0 rows affected. That means table created. Now check any data is there in the table. How to check? Select. What I have to check? All the columns or particular columns. All the columns means put the star. Star means all columns. Table name is persons. Okay. He is saying empty set. There is no data. How to see structure after creating table? Okay, CL faces here. Okay. So I want to see in the person table what all columns are there. How to see? It's already created. There is one command describe, I think, describe persons. So we can see that in the person table we have 4 fields. That means 5 fields. That means 5 columns. What is the type? Person ID int. Person name, last name, first name, address, city, all are varchar type. Varchar means string type. This null, key, default, extra I will tell later. Okay. This is take some time. So anyway, table is created. I want to insert data. How to insert?
Using insert command.
Describe date. Describe table. Describe table. Table name. Table name. Only table name. Okay. Persons. Okay. It will show the complete table structure after creation of table. Next one is how to insert data. Insert into table name. Persons. ID. I'm giving 100 or 101. Last name is last name 1. Single code. Okay. Last name 1. First name 1. City Hyderabad. Okay, this is the first query. First row I'm going to insert. Remove the spaces. That is why giving error. We have an error. Okay. What is error? Not one. String Hyderabad. City first name last address missed. Okay. Address I'm giving that. Okay, now check this query. See the error, why it give me error? We have error in the so near one where just check what is the error. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert into persons. Not one last name, first name, birthday address, city is Hyderabad. Anything I measure here? Fine, right?
Need to use some string name values.
String name values.
Insert into table values.
Insert into table name values. Values, right? Okay. Fine, I think this is correct. Okay, one row affected. Now see that data. How to see? We have to use the select command. Select star from table. So our data inserted. Like that, I am going to prepare some rows, maybe 4 or 5. 1 or 2. Last name 2, first name 2. Kanapa. This is Bangalore. Some random values I am giving, not particular. Okay, now select, you can insert one by one or you can select all also. Okay, just I am selecting here all on pasting. See that all those are inserted at a time. Okay. Okay, sorry, I forgot to change the ID. Okay. Now I want to delete this all rows. How to delete? Delete already I told. Delete table. Delete from persons. Where
ID equal to
person ID equal to 102. 4 are deleted. Now select data to deleted. Now again correct the sentence here. Some data 103, 104, 105. Okay. Now select all. Paste. It will be inserted. Now select the data. You can see that we have 5 rows of the data in the table. Okay. Now insert command, we know how to insert data. Now we know how to insert data for all columns at a time. I want to insert only data for particular columns. Okay. Right now I know only the ID 106. Okay. I know only last name. I don't know the address. I know city. Only 3 columns I want to insert. Remaining columns I don't know. So that will go default null, empty space null, like that. If you want to insert specific rows, we can use same insert command, but few small change. See here, line number last, how I'm going to insert. Here I have to specify the columns. I want to insert person ID. I can insert last name. Okay. I want to insert city, but remaining are I don't know. So person ID I know, last name 6. It is not 6, last name 6. First name I don't know, so I remove that. City I don't know. City I know only, but not address. Now here change into example AB. So here I'm going to insert only 3 values. Actually, this table contains 5 columns, but I don't know all the column data. I know only 3 columns data. So I'm going to insert partial data. Partial data is like this. Just we have to specify the column. Which column we are going to insert. Okay, let's copy again. One row affected. Now see the output. See whatever data we did not insert. First name I did not insert here. So it went null. Null means empty, like Java. Okay, that means we can insert partial data also. Now we know that how to insert data. Next one is how to update. How to update data. Okay, for update data, we have to use the update command. Update table persons set command. Set the values for which value had update. In the case of here, in the case of AP, okay, or Bangalore, for 105, city is Bangalore. I want to change to AP. I want to change to AP. Instead of Bangalore, I change to AP. For that 105 number, person ID. How to change? Set city equal to AP. Right now, the Bangalore, set to AP. Like that, we have to give the command. Set city equal to AP is a string, right? Marker. So in the single quotes, where we will update? It will update for all the columns. We don't forget. No, okay, I'll cover that. So if you give like this directly, what will happen? Update for the all the columns. Okay, update table, update person directly. Okay, change it for. Let's see that output again. Now, what is the problem here? It updated all the persons. All the persons is updated to what? AP. But my requirement update only for the person 105. How you can do that?
Where city equals to Bangalore.
No, we are using some person ID.
Using for person ID. Okay. Delete table persons. Delete from EM. Okay. From keyboard. Now no data. I'm going to insert again. Okay, now tell me for 105%, I want to insert, I want to update Bangalore to AP. So how you can do that? Just take a command, just append the where. Where means specific. Do you want to update all the columns or particular? Where person ID equal to 105. 105 in single code or directly? Do directly because it is a number type, but not varchar. Now check output, it is updated. That is for update purpose. Okay. Now in this 106, what is happening here? In the 106, we have some null data. I don't know first name, I don't know address. Now I know first name is a FN6, address is a maybe Kadapa. Okay. Now how to update? This is like update or insert. Insert means new row. Update means it will change the existing data. Okay. So and I want to change this value means it have to update, right? How to write for this? Update table name set command. Okay, set first name equal to FN6, then comma address equal to, I'm giving ES or East Godavari, West Godavari. Okay. Where can I directly enter? If I enter, what will happen? If I enter, it will update for all the rows, but I want to update only for the person ID 106. For the purpose, I have to specifically tell that where condition. Where means specific particular row. Where person ID equal to 1 or 6. One row changed. Okay. Now see the data, it is updated. Right. That is for the update purpose. Now we know how to insert, how to update. Now we see the delete. Now say delete, how to delete data. So delete means we can delete complete data. Also we can delete particular row, particular rows. Okay. How to delete data from table. Command is delete from table name persons. If you give directly this, it will delete all the data. But I want to delete only particular row where delete for the person ID is 106. Wherever person ID 106 will be matched, then it will be deleted. Okay, just see that output here. I'm going to delete the last row. For the last row, the person ID 106. I'm giving the person ID 106. So here it is matched. This row completely deleted. Okay, now it is deleted. Check the output. Gone. Okay, if I use delete directly without where condition, what will happen?
It will delete all the rows.
It will delete all the rows. Okay, so this is about delete command. Select already we know. Select star from EMP or persons table. To select all the rows. To get all columns with all rows. Okay, so next one is I want to select only particular rows wherever any persons related to AP city. AP city are there for 3 people, 103, 104, 105. These 3 people from the AP, right? Right?
Yes.
Okay, here AP is small. Okay, before that, we'll cover one more point. Here AP is small, right? AP is small. I want to change as a same as below one. Both are capital. How to do that? This is insert, update, delete. What it will come? I want to change this value. What is
By update.
It will be update because we are changing the existing data. Now change, update, table, set command. Don't forget this. City equal to where instead of person ID, I'm taking city only. Where city is
equals to
a small p. Wherever this match found, city equal to capital A small p, this match found, then set that value as a capital A, capital P. Okay, instead of taking person ID, we can take any column, not only this. Okay, just enter this. So match 3 now. Okay, it is changed. Okay, now what I want to do here, Bangalore AP. Okay, fine. Now go to this select command. This is for select all the rows, all the columns. This already we saw that. That's fine. We'll go for next one. I want to select only AP people. How to select? Select star from persons. Again, where condition. Where means filter. Only particular type match found, then get the data. Where city equal to AP. Only AP people I want to see. For that, this is the query. Okay, only AP people you got. What we did here, simple, I added where condition. Okay, this is for select the all the rows. I don't want all. In that table, I want to get where there means filter only city equal to AP. Okay, you got fine. And one more condition, if I want to get AP and Bangalore also. These are here, these are two. Here, two conditions. How we can see that? Select star from EMP or persons, it are same, fine. Now, where city equal to AP, fine. Now, I also want Bangalore. I also want Bangalore. How to write? Can I write here AP, comma, like this? Can I write? No, because it will search complete string. We have to write another condition. Maybe AP Bangalore or city AP or city what is this R condition? So anything this match or this condition match. Any condition match, get the data, get that row. Go to table, check here in this table, AP match, no, or Bangalore match, no, don't select this. Come here, AP match, no, Bangalore match, yes, match, select this data. This will select. Okay. Next one, AP match, then select, AP match, select. If AP match, don't have to check for again Bangalore. This is R condition functionality in Java also. Like that, I can provide multiple conditions in the where condition. Okay. In the where I can provide multiple conditions. Yeah, only got a Bangalore AP. So like that, if want to add one more condition, city equal to something else. Okay, I added some city. I want to add one more condition. Again R. Like that, how many you add like this? This is a problem, right? To avoid this problem, if you have multiple conditions, multiple values match. City match with Bangalore, city match with AP, city match with Hyderabad, city match with something else. These many conditions we have to write with R like that. So don't use this. Just put in condition. City in. If the city value in any of this value or BNG or maybe HYD. Okay, maybe HYD. Just anything match in this list, get that value. For that, we can use the like this. So here flexibility what? Instead of giving where condition multiple times, we can directly give that all the list of values in the in condition. Okay, we can directly give the in condition. That is the flexible thing here. Forget that in operator. That is not much important for now. Where city in to check multiple values. Okay, up to now is fine. Then we'll go for delete completed, select completed, where condition completed. Okay. Now I want to drop table. I want to drop table. Drop table means what? Drop means what? Basically, if you want to delete complete data and also structure, and that means table also should not be there. That time we can use the drop table persons. Complete data and table deleted. Unknown commands persons. It is selected. So let's see that. Select star from persons. I'm telling. See this is saying the unknown table. This does not exist because we dropped. Drop table means to delete table and correspond to delete rows and data also. Okay, to delete rows and structure, not data. Structure also. After deleting the table table will not be available.
On question, bro. Okay, here we can delete the table with the use of drop command. We want the table callback.
That is a rollback command. That is like a transaction level. We can try here. Rollback. I don't know it will work or not. Zeros affected. See the data. No. Delete. Rollback. We can see. Before deleting, we have to disable auto commit mode. It will work. That means with the transaction, we can roll back the data. Okay. If you use rollback, the drop table, we can do with rollback. Okay, I cannot maybe show right now because first I have disable auto commit mode, then I have to drop the table. Okay, rollback or flashback, something is there. Depends on database.
Yeah, we can use this rollback commit for specific rows and columns also, right?
No. Rollback. We can use specific rows and column also. Rollback. Some commands are different. Database. Rollback first answer. No. Maybe commands are different. I'll check how to show to you.
Maybe you can specify the database thing.
Rollback start take. No, start take dot. No, directly we cannot roll back. First we have to disable auto commit mode. So by default it will be committed automatically.
Okay.
It will be permanent deletion. So this is about some commands about SQL, creation of table, updating table. Any doubts up to now?
No.
Any doubts?
అన్నా 38 తీస్తాను 38 లో ఇన్సర్ట్ చేస్తారు కదా
38 ఓకే
38 అని 38 లో అది ఇది ఇక్కడ ఉంది కదా పర్సన్ ఐడి లాస్ట్ టైం సిటీ ఉన్నాయి కదా ఇవి 5 వాల్యూస్ మనం చేయొచ్చా ఇండికేట్ చేసి ఇక్కడ 3 ఇచ్చారు కదా పర్సన్
5 వాల్యూ ఇచ్చేవాళ్ళు ఇంకా పెట్ట మీద ఇంకా డైరెక్ట్ గా 5 వాల్యూ ఇప్పుడే డైరెక్ట్ గా. If you want to insert only specific rows, we can use the like this format, this syntax. If you want to use all the data, if you want to insert all the data, for all the rows, all the columns, use this one.
ఓకే స్పెసిఫిక్ గా మనం వాడాలంటే మాత్రం ఇట్లా యూజ్ చేసుకోవాలన్నా.
స్పెసిఫిక్ కాలమ్స్ కి డేటా ఇన్సర్ట్ చేయాలంటే ఇట్లా సింటాక్స్ జస్ట్ టేబుల్ నేమ్ పక్కన కాలమ్స్ మెన్షన్ చేయాలి. లేదు అన్ని కాలమ్స్ ఇన్సర్ట్ చేయాలంటే కన్నా above command, don't specify that columns. Even if you want to go this approach only, you can mention all the columns again. See here in the 30 line, I'm writing that the same syntax. I'm writing the insert command. Person ID, last name, first name,
city,
first name, city. City, address city, okay. So values కూడా అన్ని ఇవ్వాలి ఇంకా ఫస్ట్ నేమ్ ఫస్ట్ లాస్ట్ నేమ్. ఓకే ఫస్ట్ ఫస్ట్ ఐడి నెక్స్ట్ లాస్ట్ నేమ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఫస్ట్ నేమ్ ఎట్లా ఇస్తావు ఎఫ్ నేమ్ 7 నెక్స్ట్ అడ్రస్ ఎనీథింగ్ అడ్రస్ 1 ర్యాండమ్ వాల్యూస్ ఎట్లా ఇచ్చుకోవచ్చు ఏం కాదు.
అదే అన్ని ఇవ్వచ్చా ఇవ్వకూడదు
ఇవ్వచ్చు
ఓకే థాంక్యూ
up to here fine. Drop table name, you can roll back but I have to disable auto commit mode. So someone asking about alter tables, right?
Rollback means table, even drop also it will come back, Chenchu.
Drop only will come back. There is another option, truncate. I did not discuss it. Truncate means we cannot roll back. That's why I taken it some interview question here. Okay, for that I have to cover the truncate. So there is one thing, truncate. Okay, truncate means as I'll show here. First insert all data. I cover drop, right? Drop table.
Yes,
So
drop
the
means you are if you use drop, it will delete the structure also.
structure
Delete
also.
means only rows will be deleted.
Yes, correct.
So drop, if you drop the table, we can't get rollback, isn't it?
No, drop we can get rollback, but that I have to disable auto commit mode. I'll try to show today or tomorrow. Oracle I know how to roll back, but MySQL I did not know. That's why I did not show right now. So this is the person table. Okay, we have data, insert again data. We already covered drop to delete the data plus structure also. After dropping, there is no table in our database. Now there is one more command, truncate. Truncate, TRUNCAT, truncate table name. See this truncate. Truncate, what will happen after truncate? Select data. There is no data in the truncate. But the difference is we cannot roll back here in the case of truncate. Just see this question. Delete for the only delete the particular table data, but not structure. Truncate also to delete the data only. But main difference is truncate is permanent deletion. Once we apply truncate command, we never get back the data. But if we apply the delete command, we can get back data even that data deleted. There is a functionality rollback. Okay. Simply is we cannot delete specific rows. If we use truncate here, I cannot apply that where condition. If we use truncate here, I cannot apply where person ID equal to 101. Like that I cannot apply because this is syntax error. Truncate for to delete all data. Okay, don't compare truncate with the drop, very different. Truncate for only delete the data. Delete also to delete the data from the table. After delete, we can have structure, but only data will be deleted. But difference is if we use truncate, it will be permanent deletion. That means we cannot roll back again. If we use delete command, it will be roll back. Okay, if you want, we can roll back. And truncate, we cannot use where condition. DJ, I'm writing here down. Where condition not allowed. In the case of delete, we already see that where condition can apply. Okay, this is DDL command, this is DML command that not covering much. Okay, if you want to the details also, just see this simply. This I have to cover starting only. Sorry for that. If you see these lines below, there are multiple commands in the SQL like select, delete, update, insert, right? Those are categorized into some different types. What are those types? We have a delete, we have a rollback, we have insert, we have select, all these things, right? These things how to segregate. We have different type of languages in the SQL also. DDL, data definition language. DDL means data definition. Data definition means always tells structure but not data. DML means data manipulation. Manipulation means change the existing data. Transaction means TCL, transaction control language. Transaction control means whenever someone deleted, how to roll back. How to commit those one. That will be transaction. DCL means data control. Data control means we have different users. Example, in our project, we are developers. Some people are admins, some have different accesses. Okay, admins have everything access. They can create new users, they can add permissions. Okay, they can create tables, they can insert data, everything they have access. But developers have some limited amount of data. If you see that your company, you don't have access to write anything in the database through user directly, right? That kind of functionalities we can do with the DCL, grant revoke. Example, tomorrow you are going to join company in the project, and for you they will create one user. One user means they will not give access everything to you. They will give particular permissions for you. Okay, what is your role? Based on that, they will give permissions. That is control language. Next one is DQL or DRL. That means data query language, data retrieval language. Both are these terminologies. That is only select. If you see DDL, drop, already we saw that. Okay, truncate, we saw that. Drop is for to delete data on corresponding structure also. Truncate for to delete data. It cannot be rollback. Recycle bin, flashback not required. Okay, next one is create table. We already know that. Maybe create database, already know that. Alter means if you want to change the existing structure, that is next topic I'll cover. If you want to change the, here example, we have a person ID here. Person ID, I feel this is not much meaningful. I want to change person number. I want to change person number. This column as a rename. Okay, this is not update. Update will come whenever we are discussing about data. This is header. This means header. This is structure. Structure, if you want to change, we have to use the alter command. We have to use the alter command. So here person ID is a column name, right? I want to change to person number. I can use alter command. And one more thing is here. Next one is I want to add person phone number. Here new column, right? Person phone number means new column. How to add new column? That is alter. We are changing the structure, right? That means we have to use the alter command. Okay, we are changing this part. This is a update. We are changing this part. This is a alter. Okay, because this is a structure. This is a data. If you want to add new columns, it is a insert. It is a insert. Okay, don't confuse. Maybe first time maybe confused. If you practice 1 or 2 days, it will be more easy. World most language, easiest language is SQL. Okay. Up to here, fine, right? Up to here we covered create, insert,
select, delete.
okay, update, select, delete, where condition.
Oh.
Next, truncate, 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 drop. Okay, if these are fine, we'll go for next topic. Alter. Alter means I told this, right? To change structure.
1 second, Chengchu. Drop means we are deleting the table. Truncate means we are deleting the table permanently, isn't it?
Anyone can answer?
Yeah, drop means we can delete the whole table from the database, but a truncate will use only deleting the information from the table, but not the table.
Drop is for to delete data and structure both, complete table. After drop, there is no data. There is no table also.
Rollback. If you do rollback also, you can't get.
If you do rollback, it will be possible. It is possible, but I can say I cannot show right now.
Yes, auto commit needs to be either a 0 or else false. Like we need to change the auto commit, right?
Auto commit. There is one concept auto commit that I have discussed. I have to think how to show to you in the MySQL.
Yeah, same way. I checked it. Same way, but changing the auto commit value. Same command. Rollback.
Chenchu, what is grant and revoke? You explained about that. Grant and could you go that document?
Grant and revoke. Basically, we did not.
DCL.
Oh, okay.
Well, I don't. What is this? Yeah, we are grant revoke. Revoke means Roll back means getting back. Revoke
No,
means
no, 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 don't think
deleting,
about it. Basically, this grant and revoke not required. Still, I can tell
But
something on this.
I need a little bit about what is this
Okay.
grant revoke.
So,
Meaning
example,
in your way.
example, you are an employee. You joined in the one project. Okay, that project has one database. Okay, so right, that project has one database. Wait. Okay. So you join the one project that has one database, maybe MySQL or Oracle. Okay. You are employee 1. You joined. Okay. They will give access for this. They will give access for everything or something.
For something only.
Maybe they will give to create table. Okay. Create table, not much effect. Even if you create table, not much effect. They will give maybe insert also. Maybe you are some expert employee. They will give insert command also, insert access also. But they should not give drop. Okay. They should not give truncate. These are the permissions. Okay. What you can do on top of the database, on top of the tables. Okay. If you give the access for create, you can create table. Okay. If you don't have access to insert, you cannot insert. Only you can create. That's it. You cannot insert data. That is possible through this one, DC. Okay. DCL. What is the command for that? What is the command for the simple grant create for employee 1. Employee 1 can create. That's permission I'm granting. This can be executed by the admin only. You cannot execute because this grant also one permission that have only admin access. Okay, don't think that admin giving permission to you. I'm granting create access to employee 1. Okay, fine. This is fine. You are able to create a table. Okay, I also want to insert access to you. I can give insert access. I can give drop access. I can give truncate access. Okay, I given all this access to employee 1. Up to now, it is fine. Tomorrow, what I feel, this employee may be doing some mistakes. This employee not much perfect. Better we need to remove this drop and truncate access to employee 1. We need to remove this access. How to remove? Revoke. Already given the access right, I want to revoke. Revoke, drop, comma truncate from employee 1. Now you don't have these two accesses. You have only create and insert. Like that, we can do with the data control by using the grant and revoke.
Okay, Malik, go. Sorry. Revoke, drop, truncate even means?
Revoke means the permissions. I mean,
Giving
I
the
want to remove
permission.
that permissions. For what? Employee user. What permissions? Drop and truncate.
Okay, removing the permissions. Which permissions? Drop and truncate. Grant means we need to create if
Give
you
permissions.
instead of revoke, if you give grant means drop, truncate permissions also we are giving to even.
Okay.
Yeah, could you please mention these points in that in our notes? Grant and revoke. Yeah,
okay.
Anyway, I it went to my mind, but it's
okay, fine. So grant and revoke is not required because as a developer. So
yeah,
admin,
but developer అంటే నా ప్రాజెక్ట్ లో నాకు ఇది ఇప్పుడు పర్మిషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి చెంచు, పర్మిషన్స్ ఉంటాయి నాకు ఒక డాష్ బోర్డ్ కి కొన్ని పర్మిషన్స్, ఒక డాష్ పర్మిషన్స్, బట్ నాకు అది ఏదో ఉంది కానీ ఇప్పుడు మైండ్ లో అసలు ఏంటి గ్రాంట్ ఒక్కొక్కసారి ఉంటది ఇది గ్రాంట్ అని. నాకు కరెక్ట్ గా నేను రోల్ బ్యాక్ కి రివోక్ కి కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతా. అంటే రోల్ బ్యాక్ అంటే మళ్ళీ బ్యాక్ తెచ్చుకోవటం కదా, రివోక్ అది కరెక్ట్ మీనింగ్ తెలియక నేను చాలా రోజులు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయ్యా. ఇప్పుడు కొంచెం అలవాటు అవుతాను, బట్ చెప్పు.
Okay, so if you go for next one, it's fine. I think you are understood fine. Okay, DDL we covered drop. Okay, drop we covered. Trunket we covered. This recycle bin are from that Oracle, I think, not required. Next, if you go for alter. Okay, before that we'll see update completed, delete completed, insert also completed. You understood all these points. Commit rollback we'll see later. Okay, I have to check how to work with commit rollback in the MySQL. Grant revoke I told already. A select is a to get the data from the database table. Now we'll see about alter. What is alter means? Alter, we have alter modify, alter add, alter rename, alter drop. Okay, what is alter functionality first? Okay, so first one alter modify. In the alter we have a modify. What is the modify? Modify means what? To change the column name or column data type. Okay, now if you see here, person is a table. Okay, this is person. Okay, deleted. Again I have to insert. This is person data. Okay, now I want to add new column. That means alter add. I want to change the column as a in the place of address. I can use addr, simply shortcut. I want to change this. That is for alter modify. This is we are modifying. Okay, alter modify. Next one is if I want to alter modify, I want to drop the last name. This last name column is completely I want to remove. That is for alter drop. Okay, alter add, alter drop, alter modify. What is the next one? Alter rename. Rename already covered, right? Rename, modify, add new column. Rename existing column, drop new existing column. Okay, all this is covered. Modify, add, drop. Modify, add, drop, rename. Okay, modify only for I think data type. Okay, this is for rename. Okay, for this address, what is the corresponding data type? This is varchar, right? Varchar I want to change to something else. For that I can use the modify. Okay, so we'll see one by one. We'll cover at least some. These all things are not required for Java JDBC, even for Spring also. Now we'll try to do modify for this, the corresponding column. What is the command? Alter table persons modify.
Welcome to UP Security. Follow
Modify.
the instructions in UP
Type persons. The person ID int. I want to change to varchar type. Person ID to varchar type. Person ID to varchar of 10. We'll check this correct or not. It is something executed. Let's see the structure now. Describe person. Previously, what is the type? Int. For now, it is a varchar. To change the type, okay, we are storing int type or character type, whatever. If you want to change the type, data type, we can use the alter, modify. Next one is alter, add. To add new column. To add new column to existing table. Okay, what is the command? Alter table name, add new column, person, phone, PHNO. Type, what is the type I'm giving? Maybe int. Now see it will execute or not. It will be executed. Now this type, we can see person, phone number also, type int. Okay, anyway, we added new column. Anything change will come in that person data. In the previous data, we don't have anything person column. So what data will come? In the previous data, there is no person phone number column. Now I added. That means here it will come new column. Here it will come new column as a person phone number. So what is the data then? I added a column, that's fine. But what is the data? By default, it will come as a null because we don't know what that. By default, it will come null. Later, if you want to change, you can change by using update command. Okay. Now see this, it will correct or not. Select data. It is a null because we just added a column. Previously, it's not there. Now you want to update the person phone number for all persons. You can use update command. I want to update the person phone number as 101. I want to update as some number. How to update? Update command. Update persons set person PHNO equal to some number. Okay, out of range of value. Okay, this is out of range. It is inserted. Now see that it is inserted for the all the columns. Why it is inserted for all the columns? I did not use the where command. Okay, so want to update for particular person, you can use the where command with the where person ID equal to 101. Like that you can use. Okay, this is same story about update. Now you know alter, add. Okay, now we'll go for next one. Alter, rename. Alter rename to change the existing column name. To change the existing column name. Okay, how to change? Same command, alter table. Just see how does command is changing, what changing. This is the alter, add. In the place of add, just I change here rename. Not much remaining. Rename means what? We need to change existing column to new column. What is the existing column? Existing column is maybe here person ID I'm taking. Person ID is existing column. I want to change to what? PID. Simple. I want to change person ID to PID. What is change here? Just I change the keyword rename. And next, what is the old column name? What is the new column name? Giving error, person table level name. Here to PID. See error, alter table persons, rename old column name to new column name. Any mistake I'm doing? alter table name. Wait, I'll check in Google. Rename existing table that you find. Okay. Change. Change. Wait, I'll check. Table name, change column name, column. Okay. Maybe this is a Oracle somewhat different command. I will change in this like this. Okay. Alter table name, change. Change column name is person ID. Person ID to PID. Type we don't need to change. Now check this. Okay, type over here int. Balance. Okay. Integer persons. Okay, it is changed. Now check that table data. It change it to PID. Okay, in MySQL the command is different. This is not rename, it is a change. Okay, it is change. So any doubt in this? Just the command change instead of rename to change. Alter table name, change column, old column name to new column name, and we have to provide the data type also. What type it is. Okay. Next one is alter drop. Alter drop for to drop the table column, to remove the column. To remove the column from table. Okay, we'll try same this way, will work or not, we'll see. Alter table name, drop. This I am removing that same new column, the person number, person PHNO. Okay, I'll drop that. I'll try this command, will work or not. Deleted. Now check again, the person phone number is removed. Okay. Now we know that how to add new column, how to change existing column name, how to change existing column data type. Okay, how to remove the existing column. All this we tried with the examples. Okay, if you want to change the structure, we can use the alter command. It's clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
This is a drop. So just we'll check what you understood. Now tell me answer. I want to add new column here. What command you enter? Just tell me. Don't need complete syntax. Tell me the word what we use. I want to add new column here. Person salary. PSAL I want to add. What command I want to enter here? What is command for this? Alter with add. Okay. The next one is I want to change this address to ADDR. What we use? Alter with
Alter with
Modify.
change.
change.
Modify.
Change in the MySQL. Okay. Alter with the change. And I want to change person ID data type to int. Right now it is a varchar. I want to change to int. How to do that? Alter with modify.
Modify.
Okay. Alter with modify, na?
Yes.
Yeah. Alter with modify. Okay. Next one is alter, modify, alter, change, alter, drop. Drop means just I want to drop complete this column. Then what is that? Alter.
But with the drop column.
Okay. Okay. Up to now, these four are clear. Modify. Second one is change. Third one is add. Fourth one is drop. Now
So
the
we are only modifying the structure and values also, data also.
no, alter means completely structure. Now I'm covering. I want to update instead of Bangalore here. I want to update Chennai.
Okay.
Now
Alter means okay.
I want to update here Chennai. What is the command?
What is the modify and change? Modify also same PID.
No, change is for to change that corresponding name.
Name.
Modify for
is the varchar like data type. Okay.
Okay. I want to change data here. Update instead of Bangalore to Chennai. What is that command? How to change data? Updating here.
Table name.
Now I want to remove complete this row. How to delete? Only one row. Delete command. I want to remove complete only complete data. Complete data. Here delete with where condition. Complete data means delete only delete command. Only delete or truncate. Both we can use. Okay. I want to insert new row here. That is a insert command. ఇక్కడ అన్ని క్వశ్చన్లో ఆన్సర్ ఉంటుంది. పంచపాండవులు ఎంతమంది అని చూపిస్తే వేలు పెట్టి 5 అట్లుంది ఇది. ఇన్సర్ట్ అంటే ఇన్సర్ట్ కమాండ్, డ్రాప్ అంటే డ్రాప్ కమాండ్, డిలీట్ అంటే డిలీట్ కమాండ్. ఓకేనా? మెయిన్గా ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ టు వాంట్ టు చేంజ్ సంథింగ్ ఆన్ ద స్ట్రక్చర్ go for the alter command. If you want to change data means go for the corresponding commands. Updating for update command, delete for delete command, drop for drop command, like that. Up to here fine. Basically this much enough for the to work with
difference between table and view. What is Chenchu? Adokati.
చంద్రం పోతున్నా ఒక
జస్ట్ అదొకటి టేబుల్ వ్యూ.
టేబుల్ వ్యూ అంటే టేబుల్ అనేది ఇన్ కేస్ మన టేబుల్ క్రియేట్ చేసే
అదే సంథింగ్ ఏదో వ్యూ అంటే జస్ట్ ఫస్ట్ ఇవి లైన్స్ అనో ఏదో అంటారు.
టేబుల్ అంటే ఏంది? ఫస్ట్ ఇఫ్ యూ క్రియేట్ టేబుల్, ఓకే, దిస్ విల్ స్టోర్ ఇన్సైడ్ ఏ హార్డ్ డిస్క్. ఓకే, దిస్ టేబుల్ హ్యాస్ సమ్ కాలమ్స్ C1, C2, C2, C3, C4, some columns we have. Okay, instead of C1, C2, C4, I am making as a first name, last name, same. Okay, and your mail, password. Okay, last one is password. Okay, first name, last name, mail, password. This is simple table. Table name is user data. Table name is user data. I have user, first name is Sudha, first name is second user name is Rama, last name is Kumar, here Reddy. Okay, here email I am giving Sudha@, email, some email. Okay, don't forget, don't think about writing, handwriting. Okay, some email. Here Rama are there some email. Password, his password is 123. His password is ABC. Okay, now this is the user data. Okay, this is the user data. There are one project using this table. In that project, there are multiple peoples, multiple employees. There are multiple employees, employee 1, employee 2, employee 3. Okay, so this employee is admin. That means he can access everything. He can see, no, not a problem. He can use that. He is employee, not admin, provider. Okay, like contract to hire work, like he is doing. So he is not his company employee. He is also a provider. If the company give access to complete table, what will happen? Example, you are there in SBI banking project. Simple, okay? You are there in the SBI banking project. You are a software engineer. So SBI banking project has that corresponding user table. That user table contains the username, email, password. Okay. So if you have access to that table, you can see any of your friend, any of your colleague, any of your family. Okay, you can log into system. You can see your family corresponding number, their email ID, their password. So you can log into banking system. You can transfer amount, right? That means there is no security. So you have some requirement came. You have a requirement came. That requirement basically read the data from the table. Read the data from the table, and you want to do some process. Okay, for that they given complete access to this table. Now what you do basically? So even you have a genuine person, they will not believe you because this is sensitive data. This has the login details, username and password. Okay, username and password. That is a problem. There is no security for that. For that, what they will do? They will create a view on top of that. View means this view will have access to only particular data, only this, maybe this part. Okay, that means this view will not store in hard disk. This view will not store in hard disk. This is just a pointer. This is just a pointer to table, but this view have access to 3 columns: first name, last name, maybe email. You don't have access to see the password. So this view you can use. Okay, they will give access to this view, but not table. Okay, you have access to view. Example, this is a user view. View means the name is user view. The company will give access to user view to you. So user view look like same as table exactly. Okay, you do select on the user view. You will get all the data which is the part of these 3 columns, but not password column, because this view don't have this access. Okay, like that they will create multiple views, depends on the requirement. That view access you will give to the user. Then you are trying to do some insert operation. If you want to trying to change some data. So if you want to, views basically by default not allowed to add new columns directly, because this is only for read-only access. Some views can have even write access, but that permission you need. Finally, what is the view? View is a part of pointer for the table to access particular columns. To access only particular columns. With that view, we can get security. Okay, this is a high level overview about view. Second point is table is a physical storage in the hard disk, but view is a pointer. This is not stored in the hard disk. If you delete table, this view will not work or not. This is a pointer just. That means it will not work. Corresponding table not there. If you delete the table, corresponding view will not work, because this is just pointer. If we do select star from the view, select star from view, what will happen internally? It will go the corresponding table and get the data. What data? Complete data or particular columns? Particular columns, how the view created. Whenever view created, we will tell this with this view can be able to access these particular columns. Okay, if you do select from the view, that particular columns only will you can see. That is about view. Any doubts?
No, thank you, Janju. Thank you very much.
Okay, this view not much required. Okay, this just if you want to know, you can. This is like some high level points on that. Okay, now we know that how to create table, how to insert data, how to delete data, how to modify data. Not only data, also structure also. Now we can start JDBC. Now we can start JDBC. Why JDBC required? How to connect database from Java. Okay, we'll go for JDBC today. Java database connectivity. Okay, we'll go today or not? Okay, fine. Today almost 7:40. Okay, fine. We'll see tomorrow this JDBC concept. Okay, tomorrow timings I'll update in the group. Just practice how to create table, how to modify the structure, how to modify the data. Just practice for tomorrow.
Hi, Janju. May I share my screen once? I don't know why my storage problem, something, I'm not able to execute the program.
Sorry. Remaining can drop, okay?